Yeah, so Leggy Ross with his instruments. What does the judges say?
Hi, Leggy Ross. So last week I heard that instrument is called a harmonica. It was good. You know, it's something different. I'm not used to that kind of instrument, but it's good. I think maybe you should have a class and teach some youngsters how to play it, right? But it was good. So I hope you don't feel any way. It's a fight for me. Thank you.
Yeah, Leggy Ross. Alright, I love the performance. However, we have a volume problem. So I'm not sure if it's the sound or you need to come up some more so we can hear it better. Right? I'm not sure. Sound. How are you?
The sound man, Leggy Ross deal with him instrument. Remember the man, I use him instrument for many years. You understand me? So him use him instrument. I don't mind.
Alright, I'm gonna request something before you go. Before you go, I'm gonna request something after them finish good. Alright? But pick up yourself and you need to engage with the audience some more, make them know Leggy. You just go right now performance and we don't know where you play, we don't know who you is, where you come from or what. You get what I say? So engage with the audience more, but them know Leggy Ross. You get me? Alright, pick up yourself and don't move yet.
Leggy Ross, I am familiar with that instrument. We used to call it mouthpiece in the country, right? The song, I know it. It's a song that I used to hear when I was a child. I like it, but as my previous judge said, you should have engaged the audience by telling us who you are. Like when you started, like you vex to the crowd, but the song suffices or cover the introduction. So it is a 7 from me.
Yes. You know, but they'll listen to you properly and thing and the engagement to the crowd, yeah. And you see when you ever start the thing, you have to explain the type of tune. Because it come from an old school. You see this mouthpiece, mouth organ they call it, originally. You see what I say? It create and come to the dance hall. That's why you have a man named Hans Man. So when we see you do a thing like this, remember the real old dance hall, puppet Daddy Roy did. It's what I say. And for me, I give you a 7 for that. Yeah. Bing!
Hold on to this $1 million prize. So Leggy, you're gonna give me 1 bar. Just 1 bar where I get the sound right? If you have to bring up the volume or bring down the rhythm so we can hear Leggy. So get a test first, Leggy, before you start.
Yeah?
Pull up. So you see, you work for the 9. As I said tonight, a 9 night.
Cause all the angels them me see a people that say, oh that Leggy Ross